Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel YouTube, Phnom Penh Walk. Today I am going to share with you all the 6 flyovers in Phnom Penh currently relieve a large part of congestion. The flyover number 6 is Chaom Chau Flyover and Subway. Chaom Chau Flyover and Subway were officially inaugurated on March 31, 2022. It is 200 meters long and 5.25 meters wide. The construction of the flyover is divided into 3 parts, including the first bridge, the main bridge connecting traffic from the Boulevard of the Russian Federation to National Road Number 3. The second bridge, the separation from the flyover, the right turn to connect traffic from the Boulevard of the Russian Federation to Veng Srang Boulevard. And the third bridge, a left turn bridge connecting traffic from Veng Srang Boulevard to National Road Number 3. In addition, the project has built the first subway, connecting traffic from Veng Srang Boulevard to National Road Number 4 and the second subway connecting traffic from National Road Number 4 to Russian Boulevard. The flyover number 5 is Cambodia-China Sensoc Friendship Flyover, also known as Phsar Dai Hui Flyover. Phsar Dai Hui Flyover were officially inaugurated on July 2, 2018. The bridge has a total length of 942 meters, a width of 16.5 meters, of which the bridge body is 610 meters long and the road connecting the 2 sides of the bridge has a total length of 332 meters. The flyover number 4 is 5 Makara Flyover and Subway. 5 Makara Flyover and Subway were officially inaugurated on January 5, 2016. The flyover is 382 meters long and 15.8 meters wide and the subway is 356 meters long and 6 to 8 meters wide. The 825-meter-long and 5.5-meter-wide bridge road is located at the intersection of Russian Boulevard, Kim Il-sung Boulevard, and Mao Zedong Boulevard at the intersection of techno traffic lights. 5 Makara Flyover and Subway is located at the intersection of Russian Boulevard, Kim Il-sung Boulevard, and Mao Zedong Boulevard at the intersection of techno traffic lights. The flyover number 3 is Stung Meanchey Flyover and Subway. Stung Meanchey Flyover and Subway were officially inaugurated on July 31, 2014. Stung Meanchey Flyover is the most beautiful bridge in Phnom Penh. The construction of this butterfly-shaped flyover is aimed to contribute to solving the traffic congestion in the capital city. Stung Meanchey Flyover and Subway has 266-meter long and 8 to 10-meter wide underpass. Stung Meanchey Flyover and Subway is located 289 Yathapal Kemarak Phauman Boulevard, 271, Phnom Penh. The second flyover is 7 Makara Flyover. 7 Makara Flyover were officially inaugurated on January 6, 2012. Above the intersection of Kampuchea-Krom Boulevard, there is another bridge from the main flyover turn right to connect traffic from Russian Boulevard to Kampuchea-Krom Boulevard, 160 meters long and 6.50 meters wide, a one-way street down from west to east for 1 car and 1 motorcycle. 7 Makara Flyover is located in Tul Kork and Sensoc districts of Phnom Penh. The first flyover is Kbal Thnal Flyover. Balth Now Flyover were officially inaugurated on June 24, 2010. The construction of the first flyover on May 27, 2009, was 308 meters long, 14.2 meters wide and 5.20 meters high. Balth Now Flyover, the point of ascending the bridge in front of Tila gas station, on Norodom Boulevard in front of the former Labor Hospital on National Road Number 2. Kbal Thnal Flyover is a bridge that intersects with Chbar Ampov Bridge and Royal Cambodian Armed Forces Boulevard, National Road Number 2, and Norodom Boulevard. This bridge is located in Phray Tanau Village, Sanka Chak Angerliu, Stung Meanchey, Phnom Penh. We hope you like and enjoyed watching this video. Please help to share and subscribe to get new videos from us. And kindly let me know if you have any suggestions. Thanks you and have a good day to you and your family. Best of luck of you all.